Hi everyone and welcome to this introduction video. In this video we will talk about Emacs, one of the two text editors we advise you to use. To run Emacs, type Emacs followed by the name of the file in your shell. Once in Emacs, in order to quit, type Ctrl-X and Ctrl-C. Now we know how to quit Emacs. We will be able to modify the file. To do it, this is simple. You just have to type the text you want. Once the text is modified, type Ctrl-X and Ctrl-S to save. One can see in the bottom that the file is saved. A useful tip to put the application in the background that's not inherent to Emacs. This is a shell command. But by typing Ctrl-Z, you can suspend Emacs, which means you have access to your shell and can use some commands. By typing FG, you go back to Emacs, where you have left it. In order to move faster, you can type Ctrl-E and Ctrl-A to go directly in the beginning or at the end of a line. To look for something, let's say return, just type Ctrl-S and the word you're looking for. To open another file, type Ctrl-X and Ctrl-F. You can see the bottom, it's asking for a file name. If you type, let's say, main.c, it will open the same file. If you type the name of another new file, Emacs will open an empty buffer in which you will write your test function. To save it, type Ctrl-X and Ctrl-S. Now, if I want my test file on the left and my main file on the right, I have to split the screen. To do that, I type Ctrl-X and 3. To split horizontally, I type Ctrl-X and 2. To move between buffers, I type Ctrl-X and O. One can see that my cursor didn't move. To close a buffer, type Ctrl-X and 0. This will close the current buffer. So to open another file I just did, I type Ctrl-X and Ctrl-F, and I have my main back. So this is a simple Emacs utilization, which should be enough during your PC to edit and realize the exercises we will have to do. One last thing, for the exercise in C, we will ask you to put the 42 header. To do it, type Ctrl-C and Ctrl-H and the 42 header will appear. Voilà. Thank you.